In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find your GoDaddy cPanel username and password. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy account. Once you are logged in, go to the top right corner of the page, click your profile icon, and select My Products from the menu. This will take you to the page where all of your active GoDaddy products are listed. On the My Products page, look for your web hosting product. Find the hosting plan connected to the website you want to manage, then click Manage next to that plan. This will open your hosting dashboard, where you can access the settings for your hosting account. Inside the hosting dashboard, look for the section related to cPanel. In that area, you will see the cPanel admin option, along with hosting details connected to your account. Review the information shown on this page, and locate the cPanel username listed in the hosting settings. If your goal is only to find the username, you can copy it or write it down, so you have it available when you need to sign in later. If you want to open cPanel directly, click cPanel Admin. This will take you into the control panel for your hosting account. From there, you can manage your website files, databases, email settings, and other hosting tools. In most cases, GoDaddy does not display your current cPanel password for security reasons, so you will need to reset it. Look for the Reset Password option in the cPanel or Hosting Login settings. Click Reset Password and follow the prompts shown on your screen. When asked, create a new password and confirm the change. Make sure the password is strong and easy for you to store securely. After that, wait a moment while GoDaddy saves the updated password for your cPanel account. Once the reset is complete, you can use your cPanel username along with the new password whenever you sign in to cPanel. This gives you access to the tools you need to manage your hosting account. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.